traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So first let me show you today's date and time. So today is 21st of January 2021 and currently time is 10:30 AM. So traders, coming on to our today's trade. Today I have taken a trade in Bharti Airtel and you can see what happened here. So we are currently at our cost price only, and traders, since today is Thursday, and what we usually see on Thursday is that we get a sideways market. Okay traders, so I have taken only 6 quantities in which our maximum loss will be of 12 rupees or 15 rupees maximum. Why? Because there are chances that we can get a sideways market, so only half quantities, and if this trade gets worked, we will get a profit of 60 rupees. That is risk reward ratio of 1:4. That is very good, but we need to achieve that also. So traders, we are waiting, and that's it. So traders, when it will show some momentum, I will update you. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, here our stop loss has been triggered, you can see, and no problem because this is the terminal on which I trade. You can see we have book loss of rupees 13.80 only, so no problem in it. That's totally fine for us. Okay traders, so trade the setup was simple. We seen a breakout over here and we entered, but this breakout was a fake breakout or a false breakout, so no problem. We have given only 13 rupees to the market. Okay traders, so this was our today's trading video. Hope you learned something from it and enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching the video and have a good day.